Welcome back to the Cupcake Jemma channel. Now, a few weeks ago, you may have caught the news that we launched this really cool new thing on the Crumbs Doilies website called the Cake Builder. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's an amazing part of our website where you can create the most outlandish cake for yourself using all of our bits and bobs. So from the sponges to the fillings to the additions to the toppings, drips, all sorts of things. And we ran a little competition to launch that. And we sent out word for people to create the most amazing cake and then give it a name. And the lovely Elora Sutton won with her creation, Golder and Wiser, which is this little jazzy number, which is spectacular. So it's going to be made of burnt butter chocolate chip sponge. It's going to have chocolate cream cheese icing and a pool of caramel between the layers, as well as multi cornflakes sprinkled along. We've also got chocolate icing down the bottom. We've got salted caramel, buttercream. We've got gold leaf, a chocolate drip, and caramelized white chocolate truffles on the top. Golder and Wiser indeed. Anyway, a fitting winner, I think you'll agree. The guys downstairs are all getting ready to make it because today's the day that Elora gets her cake. So I thought you might like to see them building it. So head down there and have a little look. is, the Golder and Wiser, the lovely Alora's entry for our competition. And it's finished. The guys have done a fantastic job. It looks amazing. I quite like a slice, actually. Maybe Alora will be friends with me and I'll get one. But anyway, it's got to go to the shop now. So we've got to pop it in its little box, put it in the van, and then Alora's going to go and pick it up from Dane.
So it seemed like Alora was super stoked with the cake that she designed using the new Cake Builder feature on the website. And I just love seeing people are so overjoyed with the simplicity of a beautifully decorated cake. And if you want to design your own cake using the new Cake Builder feature on the website, head to crumbsanddoilies.co.uk and you can build everything from the cake board. You can choose the sponge, the filling, the bling, the drips, a plaque if you want to write something for someone special. You can do whatever you want. And I hope you enjoy the cake. And I hope, Alora, that you enjoy your cake. And we'll see you on the next video.